So we have just saw what is an Excel, like how do we connect to an Excel file, how do you connect to CSV file, and then we have something called Google Sheets. So I think most of you guys use Google Sheets, right? Everybody has Google Drive, and you have Excel sheets on top of Google Drive, which are nothing but Google Sheets. So if you wanted to get the data from there, so you can connect your Power BI desktop to the Google Sheet on the cloud or on the web. Yes, we can do that. So let us take an example. So I'm going to just take an example. I'll have a link here. Let me just open this link. There's a Google Sheet. Just paste it here. It's an Excel file on my Google Drive. Okay. So I'm going to share this, or maybe you can upload the same download and re-upload onto your Google Drive and do the same thing that I'm doing. So this is a Google Drive, Google Sheet, which is on top of my Google Drive. So I wanted to connect my Power BI desktop to this particular option. Okay. So how do I do that? So first thing, you have to make sure this particular Excel or Google Sheet is published onto web. So there's an option on file, go to file, click on share, and there's something called as a publish to web. So when you click on publish to web, because you might be knowing, right? So by default, it is not available for everyone and on the cloud. So you need to specifically share with some people with their email addresses. Or sometimes you can generate a link which is shareable with everyone, right? Anyone in the web. But I wanted to make sure it is available on the web. So how do I do that? I click on publish to web. When you click on publish to web, you get these two options. Like one is entire document. So I want entire document because I know, as you can see below, there is orders, returns, and people. There are three different tabs in this particular Excel sheet. Okay. So you might want to understand, like, you want only one orders. Let's say for some reason you wanted to get only the first sheet that you are looking at. Yes, you can select that option. You can keep that orders, right? And then select this option as a Excel, that particular option, CSV or whatever. So basically it will identify, okay, you are trying to push this file as a CSV or something like that. Let's say you wanted to push the entire document. Okay. So then I can change it to XLSX file also. So you have to define the format. You have to define what you want. So once you define these both, you will be able to select this link. Just copy this link. Okay. Copy this link and just go back to your Power BI desktop. So I'm going to close this previous pop-up that we have. So I just loaded the CSV file that we have bought in previously. So now I'm going to demonstrate connecting to Google Sheet. So how do you do that? Go to get data, and there is an option called web. Okay. So there's an option called web. So what do? You can kind of search web, or you can go to online services and look for web, but it's always better you can search for a keyword and look for that option. So this is the option that you got. So we can connect anything from the web using this option. Okay. So we'll demonstrate a couple of more options, more examples on the web. Click on connect. So it will be asking you to enter a link because we have published that Google Sheet to the web. Now the same web URL can be pasted here. You can see I pasted this till this particular format, the entire URL. Okay. So now we can click on OK. As you can see, we are able to see the tables, and we can directly select again. Again, you can notice that there is two things coming up. One is table, one is sheet. Okay, so we already saw the difference between these two. So I'm always picking up the table format. Right, I can click on transform data so that I'll get the data from my cloud, which is Google Sheet.